Okay, so we have here a leak key for a HU64 lock. We can see is a Mercedes-Benz lock right there. And we're gonna try to see if we can open this. And let's try. So it's the same principle. It's the same principle as the other leashes, you know, spongy. The numbers are on the bottom here, the unevens. The difference is 10 openings here, 10 wafers. We're checking everything's spongy. The spring is working really well. Okay, and then we make sure the tool is in. Okay, so here, number 1 is it's springing. Number 3 feels binding. Now a little tiny click. Number 5, it's springing and is very tiny. And then 7, it's very solid. And we get one more click. We get 2 clicks out of 7, and now it becomes springy. 8, we can see, sorry, 9, we can see it's solid. And no, 7 became a little solid. A little click on 7. 5 is springing. 3 is solid again. Okay, I need to put a little bit of more pressure. It's very light pressure, but really I felt a rotation right there. Tiny rotation. 3 became solid again, and then click in a rotation. 7 is solid now. Have to release the tension a little bit there. And 9 is still spongy. 7 also, it's bouncing. 5 is bouncing. 3 is bouncing, and 1 is bouncing. Okay, now we move to number 2 here on the ones on the up here on the top numbers. And I had to release a little bit, and now it became bouncy. 4 is bouncy, very tiny, very tiny. Okay, now 6 also very tiny bounce. 8 right there, 8 is solid. We're gonna pick it, tiny click but with rotation. And 10 also click in rotation. And then we're gonna go through the top numbers again. 2 is solid, and I feel massive rotation. 4 is bouncing. 6 is bouncing, and 8 is bouncing, and 10 is bouncing. Okay, now on the bottom, on the top numbers, 1 is bouncing, 3 is bouncing, 5 is bouncing, 7 is bouncing, and we're stuck. And we're gonna keep going through all of them until we find the opening top here. Okay, 5 is bouncing, 3 is bouncing, 1 is bouncing. They're all bouncing on the. Okay, I think I felt 2 is solid now. No. 4. Okay, I'm stuck. I think I'm gonna have to repeat. Yeah, we're gonna have to start over. Yeah. Okay, let's start over. Okay, let's put a little bit of Houdini here. Oh, I lost the straw. No Houdini for now. And this is normal. I mean, this can happen to everybody. As you know, I'm a beginner, and this can happen in the field. And so we're gonna go through them again. 3 is bouncing. Okay, 1 is bouncing. 5 is bouncy. 7 is clicking. Okay, and sorry, 7 was solid. Now 9 is little tiny bounce. Okay, solid on 7. Okay, there. Okay, I see what the problem is here with 9. It has to go. It's, let's see. Not sure how to explain it, but 9, the lever of the tool barely wants to catch, and I think that's what the problem is. Okay, and I think and I hope. Okay, let's see. Okay, now 9 is no, see, it's not. It keeps. It should have a tiny click here. There. Let's see. There. That's all I got. Let's see, one more time. Ooh, I click all of them. Yeah. 5 is bouncing. 7 is bouncing. Now 9 is bouncing. Okay. I think 3 is solid. Rotation. See, 9. 9 is semi-solid. Okay. 7 is solid for sure. Let's try 9 again. Yeah, solid. There. 7 became solid again, and now I'm fail rotation, and we go through all of them. 1 is solid, tiny rotation. 3 is solid, massive rotation. 3 is bouncing, 1 is bouncing, 5 is bouncing, 7 is solid again, now it's bouncing, and 9 is still bouncy, which is good, all the way picked. 5 is bouncy, 7 was bouncy too, we can see that. There you go, all the bouncy on the bottom numbers. Now number 1, it's solid. Okay. There were all 4 is bouncing, 6 is bouncing, 8 is solid. Okay, rotation, and it became not bouncing. Okay, 8 and 10 are bouncing. Solid became 2 became solid, and there. Yeah, it was a struggle.